Hey guys, today I'm preparing for you one of my favorite muffins. This raspberry muffin is so moist and so tender, and it's mostly oats, so you don't feel guilty about having some, and it's so easy to make. It literally mixes in the same bowl. So let's make it together. And I want to remind you that all the amounts and all the ingredients are in the description box below. So for the dry ingredients, I have the quick oats that I processed in the food processor until they're fine. 1 1/4 cups. I add to that a tiny touch of salt, baking soda, the baking powder, 4 tablespoons of flour, the sugar, and I mix. And right on top of my dry ingredients, I'm gonna add 2 extra large eggs, a little bit of vanilla, and the zest of 1 lemon. The juice of half a lemon, the butter, and the buttermilk, and I mix. It's as simple as that. I fold in the raspberries gently, and it's ready for the oven. I use the ice cream scoop to make it easier to get even portions. It will make 12 muffins. You can garnish it with some sliced almonds or leave it plain. I'm gonna garnish it with a little bit of sliced almonds and a little bit of oats, and bake in the oven at 350 for 10 to 15 minutes. Or you can check for the doneness with a toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, that means the muffins are ready. You can serve as is, or you can serve with a little bit of whipped cream. And the whipped cream you can flavor with a little bit of vanilla and some poppy seeds to give it a nicer flavor. And it goes very well with the raspberry muffins. I hope you give it a try. It's a very good muffin. It turns out so moist and so good. And please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you won't miss a recipe. And follow me on social media, Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. You'll find the links in the description box below. And until next time, bon appétit!